Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have very special shopping episode for today. Join me for a day of fun because we are going to visit different luxury brands. Therefore, we are going to see so many beautiful bags and eye candies. So we are going to visit stores such as BVLGARI and of course Moschino. So this is the very first Moschino store here in Manila. So this is a pop-up store and my first time to visit. I'm so excited to check what they have. We are also going to check out Fendi and so many more. So guys, I am promising you that this is going to be a super fun episode. Hi guys, Juan here, suking budgetarian na fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so we have many stores that we are going to check out for today. Let's have some fun! So let us check the window display here at Fendi. So when I have visited, they have the Fendi x Marc Jacobs collaboration. So guys, how do you feel about this overall Fendi logo on the ready-to-wear and some beautiful bags? So let's check out the window display at the menswear section. I am loving that peekaboo, and I am seeing a Fendi baguette that is also worn as a belt bag. So we have some luggages here. You could carry this one inside the plane. So let us check out more. Some ready-to-wear pieces from Fendi. Ooh, I'm loving this color. Very summery. And they have new bags. Look at those mini totes from Fendi. What do you think of these ones? OMG, how beautiful is this exotic lizard skin Fendi peekaboo. Guys, please comment down below, what is the upkeep for exotic leather bags? Is it very difficult to maintain or it's very easy to use? So here we are inside the store. I'm actually lusting right now for a medium to large Fendi peekaboo. This is also a very good size sunshine tote bag. Here we have the ready-to-wear from their 100th anniversary Fendi Baguette runway collection. And of course, I have to feature this very blingy, this very glitter. I love anything sparkly Fendi Baguette. What do you think? Of course, this very beautiful cognac color all leather sunshine tote bag is so beautiful, and as well as this Fendi peekaboo. Let us visit Home at Fam. So they carry different luxury brands such as Thom Browne. So what do you think of this very quirky little dog bag? So I've tried this one. If I'm not mistaken, the price of this one is around 150 to 200k Philippine pesos. What do you think, guys? It's very unique. It's very cute. And I've tried this one. It could actually carry my everyday essential. We are still here at Home at Fam. So for this tote bag, it's 97k. The brand is MOREAU. It's a Parisian luxury brand. So what do you think of this size? And it's made of entirely canvas. This one is also made of canvas for 123k. So it is smaller than my Alma BB, but I am liking the design. It's very subtle. It's like everyone doesn't know this brand. Actually, me as well, I'm not really familiar, but it looks really luxurious. So we have in two different monograms here for both 123k. Still at Home at Fam, we have here from Jill Sander, we have this 110k red bag with bamboo top handles. Then we have here in this very beautiful patent leather hobo bag. I believe the brand is still Jill Sander. So all of these bags here are from Jill Sander. I believe they are very fitting with the quiet luxury trend right now. Still here at home at FAM, so they are carrying Valentino pieces. So like this piece for 134K. So here we have a quick scan of the home at FAM. So as mentioned earlier, they carry lots of luxury brands. Now let us go inside BVLGARI. So when I have passed by, I was so tempted with this very beautiful blingy gold bag. We also have very beautiful Serpenti jewelry. So this is the type of jewelry that I would want to add to my collection. Very edgy and very modern.
Not the crystal, yung parang
The way it was
yeah,
placed.
the craftsmanship.
Oh my god, ganda ng pili na siya. This is around how much?
I'll check na lang for the price.
Because
This is new.
This is wallet also.
You can try it on, Pop.
How beautiful is this? The price is 217K. Just look at how it sparkles, guys. So beautiful. What do you think? Ah.
So yun ang display.
I am loving this clutch bag from BVLGARI. So it's very soft yet very structured, just the way how I like it. I also love, of course, the hardware. It looks like a work of art. This one 166 and then 174. Is it same with my TOTE? This is more spacious. Plus the hardware is brass. So it's non-tarnish. It's super nice. Parang piece of art. I'm sorry.
Do you have Serpenti bag na before?
Wala po.
Wala
Parang
pa.
napapanood ko lang kasi sa video. Kasi parang sabi ko, it's super interesting. Kasi I'm sure yung quality pala. Super nice. Diba? Ang ganda ng structure. Yeah.
220 for 1,000.
Ang bad mo. For 220. Yung sa CD, mga yung style sa rin nila, ganito na siya.
No, may long strap din po. Leather strap din.
Leather strap. 220. Bagay sa shoes mo.
True. So, nandito yung
Super
strap.
spacious siya eh, diba?
Yan, oh.
Yan, super spacious naman. Pwedeng pang day, kasha yung phone and stuff, kasha yung... Also here at Greenbelt, they have the Rimowa. So just sharing my OOTD for the day. So I'm wearing my new Alma BB. Here we are at Kenzo trying their new bags, their new collection. So they have this hobo bag style and this all floral leather material. Then this is the first time that I have visited the Moschino pop-up here. It's outside Greenbelt 3. That's why I wasn't noticing this store before. So this is 97K. The flagship bag of the brand, the biker bag. Ah, is it same price then? Then we have the heart-shaped biker bag. This is for 91K. Honestly, if I would be adding one more Moschino bag, it would be this biker bag. So this is on 50% off. Sale price is 32,000. Original is 64. Two-way crossbody bag. This is also on sale. So sale price is 30,000. Original is 60. So this is a camera bag, detachable strap, and has a pocket. 50,000. Regular. Yeah. That's cute. Mga tas it's big. This is big. 50. We have 102K, the updated version of the biker bag in hobo style. What do you think of this style, guys? You could also see very beautiful ready to wear. So this one is on sale. So the regular price is 37K. Oh, pull over. They also have very beautiful shoes. So this one, 24K. Pero ano pa kung size meron?
Pero ano po, 29 tsaka 40 yata.
Na pang lalaki po ba? Or parang size na pang babae?
Ano ba nila ang 6?
Ano na?
4. Size ko 40. Ay, hindi 42 pa lang.
Ano eh, parang Bugs Bunny print. Here pa na. So right now we are at Zara 1. So she is a Philippine bag designer. All of her bags are proudly Philippine made. Just look at this very cute and very quirky book bag. She also selling telephone bags like this. So these bags are a little bit heavy,
Which is
because I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they're made entirely of wood.
Ito basta lang ito sa clouds. Tapos si chocolate.
Actually, I like the color.
Parang lunchbox.
Yen is really eyeing this very beautiful book bag. What do you think? Cutie.
May strap din po to.
Free na yung charm. May horse charm siya, oh.
Ang cute!
Yeah. Ano yung ako to? Hindi ko nga kinukross body kasi sabi nila mas maganda daw na on the crook of your arm. Cute yung horse. Natural color. She has also designed this very beautiful wicker basket bag. So we have one that looks like an ice cream thingy and one looks like an old camera like this.
Tsaka dun sa Zara. It's pretty.
So now we are at Ferragamo, so trying this very beautiful classic or the Ganchini top handle. So currently priced at 175K.
Pero for this one, 2 colors lang. It's 199.
It comes in this orange color, so 199K. We have here for 135K, and this bag is 215K. Guys, I would be releasing a
Pero
review
much
of
better.
these bags. I'm not really sure if this would be published
Then
first or
better.
that vlog. But what do you think of this very beautiful ombre color? Material is smooth calfskin leather. Then we have a vanity bag for around 35k. You know me guys, anything structured, it's a yes for me. So aside from vegan chini top handle, this is one of the archival pieces of the brand. So they are bringing it back. So what do you think of this style? Actually, for this one, I love this size. If they even have a much bigger, then definitely it would be a yes for me. The only con, I feel it is very, very expensive. I also tried this very beautiful bag for 250k. So this is actually a Hermes Birkin dupe, and I really love the style. I love the size. I love how they detailed it with the Ganchini logo at the entirety of the bag. So here we have the size comparison. So the size of this one, if I'm not mistaken, this is the mini or the small.
Either of these two. For me,
So here is a size comparison with my Chanel medium jumbo bag to the rest of the Ferragamo bag. So you would also have a size comparison.
gusto ko yung pop of color. Kasi ito,
Yan is also loving the ombre color Ganchini top handle or the classic bag. So here are the other bags. So just checking this out. I believe this one comes with a strap that you could wear as a crossbody. So this one, this is 199k. So I've also asked for the measurement. Good thing the store has a tape measure. So as you could see here, the length of the bag. So here we are at Rustan's. I am actually looking also for a mock croc bag like that one. How beautiful. Here we are at Loewe. Just a quick look of currently what they have. So they have the very beautiful and soft flamenco bag. They have here the puzzle bag in shoulder bag style, and they have the mini puzzle bag. I'm actually wanting also to add puzzle bag in my collection, but not anytime soon. Hi guys, so it's end of the day. So hope you enjoyed our shopping episode. I have Yen here. Hi guys, so it's end of the day. It's dinner time.
Anong tawag ko? Yung anong video yun, yung mabilis. Ay, ang galing yung naluluto. Cultivator.
There wasn't that a fun shopping episode for today, guys. So did you enjoy? Did you like anything on the beautiful eye candies I have showcased for today? So kindly comment down below of the things that you love. I would love to hear from you guys. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!